All right, guys, motor toys, here we are. Full Spektrum Drag Car now. We swapped out to a 1900 kV Spektrum big block. We're about to do a 6S run on 6400 mAh, 150C Graphenes. They are not new. We're at 26, 36 gears, so pretty conservative. We're gonna cut to the chase.
The time is now. Yo, it's so smooth, dude.
All right, here we go.
Yep.
Gotta be careful, see what it'll do.
You're clear.
So much more room for gearing, dude. That's probably only 85, 90, but I got so much room for gearing, dude. I want to see if it gets hot.
Damn, these passes are sick. It's handling like rails, dude.
All right, guys, so here we are. We just did about 4 hard 90-mile-an-hour passes in a row. And as you can see, I'm holding the motor. So a lot more room for gearing.